I even have a Boox Palma too, but otherwise I'm a Paper Pro user and I love it as an accountant. Yeah, and I think that's it. That if we look in the comments, there's so many people saying how much they enjoy their e-ink tablets and how much they enjoy Remarkable, how much they enjoy Manta, how much they love their books. When I was with my friend over the weekend, he's got my old, I gave him my Boox Note 3 C, and he absolutely loves it. And he says, you know, it's exactly what he wanted. It gets all of his client notes, all of his notes for all of his jobs that he does. He absolutely loves it all of the time. And he still uses the iPad, but the iPad's away doing some job with some app controlling his sound desk and things like that. And his Boox is just there being his notes. And he's got a notebook for each of his clients, each of his shows that he does. And it's there in his vertical stand mode. You know, the iPad is busy being what it is now, which is a really powerful little computer. His MacBook is there attached into the actual sound desk, doing all of those things, but his Boox is there just being his brilliant notepad. So there's loads of reasons why we are loving our e-ink tablets.